little disclaimer before this video gets going. I apologize in advance for the crappy film job that I did there. Unfortunately, the weather, as you will see, deteriorated dramatically as I was up there fishing. And unfortunately, this wasn't the best kind of conditions for good quality video, which I, of course, strive to do. So, plus, I'm filming all this on my iPhone, so someday we'll be upgrading and hopefully getting a GoPro or something similar, and that'll hopefully improve things dramatically. So, also, you notice I am in a totally different outfit, and that is because I did get soaked. My green rain jacket was really not waterproof, and it ended up being one of those water resistant kind of things. So got quite chilly, so I had to strip down and throw on my fuzzy jacket here and warm up. So that's the scoop. Hope you enjoy this anyway. It was a fun time. I did get pretty chilly by the end, but did have a little bit of success. So thanks for watching. Check you later. Good afternoon, everyone. I decided to sneak up to Catoctin again to see if I could have any luck here before the madness starts of opening day, which is coming up here this upcoming weekend, I believe. So unfortunately, when I got to Thermont, the rain started to pick up pretty good, so it's drizzling pretty good right now. I am still going to give it a go and see what happens. It may be a bust, but you know, we'll give it a try. Better than a day at work, as they say. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Check you later. Alright, I've got my little stonefly nymph imitation here on my 7-weight Crisium Okuma rod here. Really like this thing for the money. It's only about 45-55 bucks and has a great action on it. I really like it a lot for a cheap rod, for a nice short one for the small creeks. Then I got my Admonson reel on here, the 2/4. So we'll see what happens here and give it a go. Alright, just had a hit in this little hole. Probably a little brownie, but unfortunately he's done for the day. And I'm looking downstream and certainly something disturbing I see. Absolutely hate this. Can't stand litter bugs. I'm going to get that out of there. Looks like some sort of a drop cloth for painting or something, so go ahead and fetch that out of there and do our deed for the stream here. Yeah. A pretty substantial piece of plastic. Get that out of there pronto. Yep, that could have been a major problem for sure. Alrighty. Keep the stream safe, guys. Keep them safe. Pick up litter if you see it. That's for sure. The hole that I lost the nice approximately 12-inch fish on earlier, a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. So I'm here for redemption, and hopefully the fishing gods are with me today. I'm going to use my hand-tied, made-up creation again, the pink firecracker, which is basically a nymph, beadhead nymph, with some hot pink dubbing and a little bit of tinsel wrap. So we'll see what happens and keep our fingers crossed. It's been gnawing at me, this fish, so we'll hopefully get him today. If not, I'll be back another time. I'm back in the car. Starting to rain pretty hard. No luck. Back another time, I guess. Drive me nuts for another week or two whenever I have the chance to get back up. Switched over to a Clouser minnow type black streamer with some red shiny tassel in there. Had a hit on that, stripping through that pool. Unfortunately, the hook didn't set there. It looked like it'd be a small brown, maybe 6 inches to 8 inches. So that was something at least, but unfortunately I got caught on a tree and then, you know, had to make some splashes to get untangled, and that was it. So we're gonna move downstream, see what's up. Pointing out, it is the Joe Brooks Memorial, which is set up for Joe Brooks, who was one of the members of the founding group of the Brotherhood of the Jungle Cock, which is a conservation group and education group for youth, teaching youth about fly fishing and kind of paying it forward and keeping the sport going. So really cool thing, and I just wanted to point that out to you guys. And it has the whole creed on there, which is pretty cool. I'll put up a still picture as well. Alrighty, I moved downstream and I switched over from my 7-foot rod to my new St. Croix Legend Elite freshwater, and it's at 8'6". Got my original rod was an Imperial and it broke, unfortunately. So I sent it back to St. Croix to have it fixed, and they actually offered to upgrade me to the next model up. So I've got the, I guess the Primo model, which is kind of cool. And I switched over to a Copper John, dropped below, or actually above it's a mop green bead head. I'll try to show you that. And there's the Copper John, you can sort of see it. So we'll see how it goes here. I'm going to try a little further upstream. Alrighty, just got a nice little brown here. Beautiful little fish. About 10 inches, something like that. Caught him on a, looks like it was on the green weenie, suspended by below the Copper John. Beautiful fish. Real happy about that. It was up in this little pool right here, right across from the visitor center. So looking real good. Just got another brown here just up above that pool. Nice little fish, a little bigger, closer to 12 on this one. I'm going to run out of battery soon, so I'm going to have to cut it short here. That's a pretty fish. Alright, that's a nice little brown there, guys. Real pleased with that one. Look at those spots. Wow. Alrighty, later, dude. Beautiful. Got those red spots with that purple around them. And also that real bright adipose fin, that kind of orange-red, telltale signs of a wild brown, and some of the most pretty wild browns I've ever caught in this stream compared to other places. So I'm real happy. But I'm going to run out of juice here. I'll see how much more I get out of this. Alright, there's a bunch of wet gear. My new rod. I'm real happy I got to break that in with two wild brown trout, so that was really cool. And then my pack, that's a brand new fish pond pack that I just picked up. One of the sling packs. I forget the model number, right, or name rather, right now, but I think it's been great so far. I'm really enjoying that. So, it's a soppy day. I can say it was a good one though, that's for sure. Alright guys, have a great day and we'll see you next time. Alrighty, it's quite a mess out here now. I'm totally soaked. Right across from the park entrance, you can see it to my, I guess, over my right shoulder, so the car's coming out there. Nobody's in that parking lot, so not surprising. So I'm gonna call it quits here because I'm getting soaked. Pretty happy overall though. It was a good day, and you can see how wet I am here. Pretty sure it's waterproof, but may just be water resistant. We'll find out in a second. Alrighty, see ya.